Hydro products versus the tree sap covered Quantum Saloon Part 2. In this episode we are going to be testing this stuff, the Hydro Snowfoam, which comes with its own hydro spray can. Now this stuff has been advertised quite a bit on Facebook, and we're going to give it the ultimate test because the Quantum is sitting underneath a tree which is throwing tree sap on it, so it gets very dirty very quickly. Okay, so here's a bit of a before and after comparison, and bear in mind that this is a summer's worth of tree sap that's on the car, and as you can see it's got most of the dirt off, but there's some bits that just won't go. And I don't necessarily blame the cleaning product for that, because if you really look how this tree sap is affecting the gel coat on the car, is not good. Anyway, I'll finish the car, but if the good folk at Hydro, and I will send this to them, and or some other product suppliers, think they have something that can lift this dirt that won't shift even with the snow foam, and here's an example here. If you have a product that can lift that, I am very interested in doing a test, and this car is the ultimate test. Right, so is this a failure for Hydro UK? No. This car is on the drive all summer because basically I am trying to raise the funds for the last jobs to get it on the road, which isn't many. And the tree sap is vicious. I mean, this is... it has picked up most of the muck, and below the areas where the tree sap reaches, it's brought it up brilliantly. So I think I'll have to save up some pennies. I've deliberately left some of the car to be done again, so we'll try another product. I don't know whether to save up some pennies and try the Hydro pre-wash, maybe they'll advise me, or if you've got an automotive wash product that can lift that kind of dirt. And before you think, oh, what's the point, well, there are a lot of kit car owners with gel coat finished cars like this that they are bringing back on the road, and they are going to have them in this sort of state. So if you've got a product that can lift that kind of dirt from a gel coat finished car and it goes on this channel, chances are you'll pick up a fair few customers. As you can see, I'm dressed in my scruff, and this is for a very good reason. In the last video we did a test on Hydro Snowfoam against our Quantum, which has tree sap all over it, and some of that staining could have gone into the gel coat. so it's very different from paint in that respect. So we reached out to Hydro and they suggested some alternatives, and in particular using their pre-wash before the snow foam. So we ordered the pre-wash, we ordered the snow foam. They've both arrived. There's the pre-wash and the snow foam you've already seen, which is that one. But they also sent, as part of the package, this Hydro Fallout. Now this stuff is mainly used on alloy wheels and it turns purple when reacting with iron. But this will be extremely useful because we've tried something similar to this on this gel coat before and it was very helpful. So I'm going to try this first today, and then another day I'm going to go over with the pre-wash and then with the snow foam. I don't know if you can see, but it is definitely turning purple. So it's found some nasties to eat. Now the car has turned a rather nice shade of pinkish purple, which means to me that the stuff is doing exactly what it's meant to. In fact, I'm surprised how much iron there was on the car. Anyhow, given that it's a gel coat car and I have MS, which means that scrubbing it normally is a bit difficult, I'm going to use a soft yard brush. Remember, this is a gel coat car. It is not going to damage the gel coat. It might damage your paint, so don't copy what I'm doing in that regard. And then I'm going to use the hose pipe to wash it all off and see how we all look after that first stage. Right, apologies for being out of breath. That really is the limit of what I can do at the moment. Right, where I have been able to brush hard, it really has had an effect. That product is really working. I think another coat with that and 90% of all the stubborn stuff will have gone. I think the problem on this particular occasion was that I didn't have the energy to scrub everywhere as hard as I'd like. So from my perspective, I'd call this a success, and we'll try the pre-wash, see if that gets any more off. And yeah, I would say the Hydro I would say that Hydro fallout is absolutely top notch. As you could see, I was really scrubbing this section here where it was running down from the corner of the windscreen, and with a bit of scrubbing and the Hydro fallout, most of that has come off. So I think a bit of more dedicated scrubbing. The bonnet too, I wasn't able to do as much scrubbing as I'd like. I was getting pretty knackered by then, but as you can see, it has brought it up a lot better. The roof, where I did a lot more scrubbing, you can see even more positive results. That's almost completely clear of all the stubborn stains where I was scrubbing. Where I missed, you can clearly see. Oh, this is where the MS really pisses me off. Anyhow, as you can see, another coat with that stuff, I am absolutely certain. There you are, the boot lid. That is a really stubborn area, and it's brought it up an awful lot much better. I think another layer of that product and all the stubborn stuff would come off. And now it's time for the pre-wash. As you can see, those first two products have nearly completely cleared all the rubbish stuff, the really stubborn stuff, and there's only a few little bits left. Now I think if I wasn't struggling to walk so much and was able to scrub a little bit harder for a little bit longer, that would all be off now. So knowing this car as I do, and having cleaned it before as I have when I was in better condition, I would say that unreservedly those products would definitely have cleaned all that off. Sorry about the plane going overhead. We are on a flight path to Liverpool. Anyhow, yeah. So the snow foam to go on top, I think I should go for another clean off with the first product, just to make absolutely sure that all this crap's off before I use the snow foam. But do I recommend Hydro? Yes I do, because believe me, to get it up to this level, it's normally about 3 or 4 washes, and it's taken 2. given the state that the car was in, I think the Hydro products have come up trumps. What do you think? So basically I'm going to keep going and do it again, and eventually all the remaining muck will come off. So I think we can call that a definite win for Hydro. Thank you for watching. Please spread the word, like and subscribe, and if you want to help the channel out or help us get these 2 project cars onto the road, you can buy me a coffee with the link in the description.